Okay, so we just started our little trek now. We got about a 3-hour trek. We got some water. In fact, we need a lot of water here. It's just like the Philippines. It's about 100% humidity. Joe, our guide, already told us of some folks have actually died because of dehydration and sunstroke. So take it seriously when we're traveling. Respect the environment and also be wise. Don't be crazy. We want to wake up tomorrow.
And the first one,
the iron off,
lichen, then plant come up.
Right.
If you burn this forest, take million years to grow back like this.
Yeah.
Here, inside here, there's no soil at all. All dead leaves, dead roots. So all the trees hanging on the rock. If there's strong wind, the ingredients will fell down. Very strong.
Okay, so the trek is just getting more and more beautiful. As we're heading into some more remote looking locations. Climbing some ladders here, let's just. It's a bit wobbly with my weight, but it made it nonetheless. This is nice. Check this out, this is beautiful. Have a look. If I'm looking a little warm right now, it'll be because it's about 100 degrees, 100% humidity here. And boy, climbing up these with the gear, 3 liters of water in your back plus gear, it'll put you to the test. It's good. We're still moving. It's beautiful. Whoop. Better watch what I'm doing.
The bamboo and the lighted.
So this is the resin of this tree.
And then for use to walk in the jungle.
Oh, right, it's like a
For
torch.
lighting, like a torch.
Like
Yes.
a torch. So it's
Yeah.
And then they put in middle of the longhouse, lighting for the inside the house.
Yes.
Wow.
So while they're waiting there, they put underneath, there's 18 plants, they put cooking oil a little bit, they put underneath the fire,
Yep.
then you turn, black steel on it, they will collect, they mix with the sugar water,
Yes.
sugar liquid, that's the ink for the tattoo.
Oh, all right.
It's a
Yeah.
tattoo ink.
This is how they get.
Man.
Also they get it, there's a glue for the boat, underneath the boat is hardwood,
Yeah.
inside the boat is light wood, they put nail, they put the glue, and then the
All
boat
right.
So it's
sinking.
like kerosene glue.
Yeah, the kerosene glue for the boat.
No
For the
way.
boat, yeah. Also they use in the some church, some shaman, like incense.
Incense.
All right.
Okay.
Smell it?
So this has got an incense.
Yes, I
in it.
can. Sweet.
Nice smell.
Yeah. Smell it. Yeah.
I can smell that
Yeah,
here.
smell?
Yeah.
Smell it? Joe?
Yeah, I smelled it.
It's pretty awesome. All right, so we are still trekking. We've seen a few monkeys. Sounds like the jungle. It's pretty amazing here, really. Yeah, good fun. Hope you're enjoying watching. Ugh. Well, I guess Joey and I are still on the trail. Right, Joe? It's hot up here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really warm.
With our bags on our back. Whew. We're trailing. That's the way it's done, though. It's good stuff.
This is because of the weathering. The water, the
weathering.
sun, the wind. When they want place, they do around. They move
Oh, I
again.
see.
So if you have compass, you put this to the north, south, west, and east. Every point you find a point, north, south, east, and west.
Really?
Yeah, this point. That point.
So here's a unique fact. Every
Yeah.
cross point you see here, Joey's just explaining that this actually points north, south,
North,
sorry,
South.
that way, south,
west,
east, what?
west, and
Yeah, east and west.
Yeah.
North, south, east, west. So every cross point on this kind of rock formation at the top of the hill
So here,
points
because of water.
perfectly.
And the hot spot here is
Unique. So yeah, so I'm just looking around, and everywhere I go, there are these little junctions here where the water trail runs on the top of this hill on the rock, and it carves this out. But north, south, east, and west, every single point is correct. But Joe, our guide, says they don't really know why it does that. It's obviously to do with the weather pattern, but unique. Unique indeed. All right, so here's the cannibal plant. And yeah, inside, I'm not sure if we'll be able to see it. It's actually got a little ecosystem of goodies to eat. Hard to tell, but yeah, so this is the plant here. And they've been known to even eat rats. So figure that. Okay, inside this guy is a beetle. And he's being munched up by this cannibalistic plant. Fascinating. Here's the aerial cannibalistic plants. Just look at this environment we're walking in. It's ridiculously beautiful. We're at the top of a mountain, and there's sand on the ground that we're walking on this path. It's so unique, such a unique environment to be in. So yeah, the trail carries on. Whew. Yet another vista point up here at the top of this mountain. But it is hot. I don't know if you can tell from the way my face looks, but we're sweating buckets. And but it is really different and beautiful. Check out this view here. Check it out. It's nice, huh? Mountain up there. Nice little getaway here. Out of the heat of the sun. Woo, nice. Okay, so now the terrain has changed. Walking through some nice, cool, covered areas. And it's beautiful. It truly is. Alright, Joe and I made it to the top here. We're just checking out this unbelievable view up here. It's crazy, isn't it? We sweated it out, but I think it's worth it. This vista is worth it. It's absolutely beautiful. It really is. Stunning. Very wild. Very cool. What are your thoughts, Joe?
I really like the rock formations.
The rock, yeah, they are amazing. We made it all the way up to the mountain, the top of the mountain. Walked down around the other side. And now you can see we're by this beautiful beach, this bay right here. It's pretty spectacular. It really is. Okay, right about now, we're just gonna take our basketball shoes off. And we're about to get on one of these boats. So we don't want our shoes getting soaking wet. That's the deal right now. Our next chariot awaits. There it is. We'll get on that little boat right now. There's Joe, dressed appropriately for the beach. All right. Hey, amigos. Está. Should we coming in?
Yeah, please.
Let's get in this thing. Woo. I'm gonna get seated in here. Nice. Made it. Okay, next leg. We're on a boat, and we're heading to another spot.